Hello everyone, Ngiyanlochisana and welcome to my channel. So, this past weekend, Somizi went to Ndebele in Mpumalanga to finally meet the iconic Ndebele artist Gog'Esther Mahlangu. He's been sharing his dream to meet Gog'Esther on social media for a while, and it seems someone finally noticed his plea and arranged the meeting. Siyamthokozisa sisitshaba samaNdebele kodwana uyimbatheleni ikumbese nedzila. Translation: Our Ndebele people were quite stunned by his attire. One tweet said, "This is utter nonsense. This specific design of the Ndebele blanket and idzila is specially made for married women. Only. Manikelela." Now, as you can see in the visuals, he was wearing the popular Ndebele blanket with a gold neck piece. We call this neck piece idzila. He can be forgiven a little about the blanket, I don't know, because he didn't wear another one that we call ibidi, which is exclusively for Ndebele brides or married women. Yeah, but idzila is exclusively for married women. I know some unmarried people knowingly or unknowingly accessorize with it to complement their outfits, but originally it's meant to be worn by married women. It's the equivalent of a Western ring worn on the ring finger. Back in the day, idzila was made of strong metal and married women used to wear it forever, like till death do us apart vibes. But with modernization, the metal or the material is softer and it's generally worn during feasts or ceremonies. Even though it's occasionally worn now, we know it's made for married women. So we unmarried women accessorize with other beads or Ndebele material. I don't blame him because a lot of people think idzila is just an accessory. Anyway, we are in the era of I identify as, so maybe he identifies as a married woman. I'm just joking. He looked like he had such an amazing time there. He even said 2024 can end because uphelele as in he's fulfilled. Side note, it's also great to see our 88-year-old grandma in good spirits and full of energy. Kodwana Somizi usirarile nomembatho wakho.